Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an unknown hamster. First, ensure you have a proper home ready before your new friend arrives. A spacious cage, at least 288 square inches, is crucial for their well-being. Don't forget a solid surface exercise wheel. An 8-inch wheel is good for dwarf hamsters, while Syrian hamsters need a 10-inch wheel. Also, provide at least 6 inches of soft bedding for burrowing. Beyond the cage, several other items are essential for your hamster's health and happiness. A good quality food mix, specifically formulated for hamsters, is vital for their diet. Always ensure they have fresh water available in a clean sipper bottle. Chew toys are also important to help keep their continuously growing teeth at a healthy length. Finally, a cozy hideout gives them a safe space to rest and feel secure. When you first bring your hamster home, it's important to give them space. Let them settle into their new environment for at least 2 or 3 days without handling them. During this time, you can speak softly near their cage so they become familiar with your voice. After a few days, you can start offering small, healthy treats from your hand to begin building a bond of trust. Patience is key during this initial period. Ongoing care involves regular cage maintenance, including daily spot cleaning and a more thorough cleaning once every week. Always observe your hamster closely for any changes in their eating habits or activity levels, which could indicate a health issue. When handling, be gentle and ensure they are comfortable. Daily interaction and providing new toys or challenges will keep your hamster happy and engaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.